don't know where we're going though. I don't know where we're going. We might eat, I don't know. Hey guys, welcome to this episode of M&M Mayhem Off-Road. Today, we're out here at Windrock Park in Tennessee, and we are hitting up with the Warren ride. Yes, it's gonna be a fun day, and we're gonna rock these trails like it ain't nothing today. I don't know where we're going though. I don't know where we're going. We might eat, I don't know. Head down Cadillac Hill. I've never been down Cadillac Hill. It's gonna be interesting without Michael with me, but we're gonna get it done today. We're also riding with Discover 4x4 Adventures with Carrie Porter. We have a Warren guy with us and a Flat Link guy with us, and we are being trailheaded by Sergio today. Hi! All right. Now that we just went out and checked out Cadillac Hill, I'm working my way up. I need to work out more. We also have on the trail with us the Tread Lately Jeep. Say hey, Justin.
Hello. You could win this Jeep.
Yes.
This Jeep could be yours.
That's right. It could be mine. It could be.
You have as good a chance as anybody.
That's right. Or anybody that buys a ticket.
It could be my Jeep. But if it ends up being anybody that sees this video's Jeep, I'm sorry if I roll it.
It's all good. I'm sure we'll know somebody to fix it.
That's true.
We also are rolling with Adventure JK. Make sure you check out there. She's gonna be riding with me here in a little bit. Get a different perspective. We also got this big boy with us, Big YJ. You know, with Michael, we gotta have some YJ love on this channel. And then, finally, we have some Factor 55 guys here today.
Actually, it's
and
Jamie Popeil, and I own Savvy Off-Road.
Oh, Savvy Off-Road. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Mandy. Guess what? Guess what? Trouble got dirty already, and we haven't even gotten to the main trail yet. Shell,
Yes, ma'am.
how you doing today?
I'm doing awesome.
You ready for Cadillac Hill?
And I've never
Ready be.
It's gonna be fun.
I hope so.
Yeah, it's gonna be. How are you? Good.
So you're by yourself.
big rock on your chassis.
Okay.
Can he come this way?
He tried, but it's too long. Okay. You want to winch it out?
Or back up.
Go ahead. I mean, he's almost there, but...
Yeah, it's this rock on this side. Can he come more to you and get his back end over more to you? Can you do that? If his back end could go that way a foot, he would have it. His back, not the front.
Nice and easy. We're not...
Keep going. Yep. That's it. Keep going. Keep going.
By the way, my wife's gonna be happy she stayed.
Yeah.
Because it went passenger side again.
Hold up, Chad. Look
Huh?
over here. Give me a picture for your wife.
I'll just send it to her. So we're about to get all together up there. We'll grab
Yeah. Yeah. I wasn't here. Unfortunately, I'm not making the fucking billet houses right now. That's too bad. Some live price. Have they really? Yeah. Yeah. Melted it.
that same line. Just hug that rock.
She's on 35.
Yeah.
Might not make it. Yeah. I think that was his neck.
There you go. Keep it that way. Keep it that way. Keep it going.
Let's go, Rado.
We'll just winch you there.
Yes, stop.
We're just gonna winch you there.
I made this! I made this!
You're good.
I took it off because the tree was bending.
You have enough?
You're so strong, Jamie.
Yeah, you're so strong, Jamie.
You're right.
I need to.
Jamie, why don't you just pull the whole Jeep up real quick?
Lock it in and pull it up, James.
No, you pull up the Jeep. Just pull it.
Kannapolis, North Carolina.
Well, she totally had that.
Okay, then now. Yeah.
She totally had that. All right, I'll hook her.
Drive forward. Drive forward. Come on. Come on.
We were almost there, but I didn't want to break it.
We said 4 weeks ago. Drive it like you don't own it.
Drive it like you stole it.
Send it!
So you can fix it.
There you go. Yeah, you're right. The tires, bro.
Same thing, put it over there by that tree. Go right where he's at.
Around this tree.
Back up. Okay, go hard passenger. Okay.
driver, bro, and see if she can get her driver wheel up on that rock to your right. Yeah, you're gonna come up and then go a little bit this way when you come up.
You got this, Mandy.
Oh, there you go. This way. But hold up. Just want to make sure you're not on your drive shaft. Okay, back up in here. Okay, back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Okay, stop. Okay, roll into that. Now you should, I mean, no matter how you navigate through these two trees, you should make it. Alright. And she made that section look way easier than that JK did. Yeah, back up in here. Okay, stop. Okay, go a little bit past here. Okay, now come up.
He came up that pretty a lot easier than I thought.
A lot easier than I thought.
Wheelbase there.
He's been sitting there watching.
I need to start.
Which way do I need to go? Let me get over here.
Yeah. Hold on. It's gonna make ramps. That's all you do.
He's not gonna hit that, is he?
Huh?
He's gonna have to steer hard back.
Okay.
One's mine, one's hers.
Wait.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Yeah.
Right there.
I was GoProing. I'm GoPro. Okay.
Okay, when you come up, okay, hold.
Oh, it broke.
Come and still go out.
I'll be nice.
If you get this tire right here, that might work. Great spot.
You didn't think that was going to be the end of it, did you? Well, that's the end of the first one. Stick around for part 2. We just can't let it end like that.
Hey guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and look out for that second video coming probably next week. See you soon.